In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to download shapefiles of your country from Humanitarian Data Exchange. So to do that, open your browser, then open a new tab. On the search bar, type Humanitarian Data Exchange. Then press enter. Yes, when it opens, this first link, Humanitarian Data Exchange, click on it. So this is the interface of the site, and you can see the number of datasets, about 19,000 plus datasets, and about 254 locations, which have sources from over 2,000 sources. So the abbreviation of Humanitarian Data Exchange is HDX. So you can read more about this site. If you want to download data from here, Shapefile of your country, to make it easier, just come to this search bar and search for your country. For example, let me search for Nigeria. Nigeria, you can see Nigeria here. Click on it to search for the data that belongs to Nigeria. Yes, these are the data sets for Nigeria or any country you may choose. You see the data set there. Now let's try to download the administrative boundaries of Nigeria. So to do that, scroll down, come under Geography and Infrastructure. You can see administrative divisions here. Come to Nigeria subnational administrative boundary. So click on it. You can see Nigeria subnational administrative boundaries. This is preview of Nigeria boundary. If you scroll down, you can see data and resources. You can see here, this is geodatabase.zip. If you want to download for geodatabase, then here, this is .xlsx. If you want to download in Excel format, here, the zip file, this is Shapefile. If you want to download the administrative boundary or in Shapefile format, click on this download button. So the download has started. The download is complete. So if I go to download, you can see the download here. So what to do now is right click, extract file. Click on OK. So it has been extracted. Now you can open any of your GIS software and load in the data. To do that, click on Add Data. Then navigate to the folder where you have it. This is it here under Download. Double click and you can see a whole lot of data inside this file. So in this case, let's bring in the administrative boundaries, the national boundary, states, and local government boundaries. Select the one you want to add and click on Add. So you can see this is the shapefile of Nigeria downloaded from Humanitarian Data Exchange. So this is the national boundary, this is state boundary, and this is local government boundary of Nigeria. So this is how to download shapefile of your country from Humanitarian Data Exchange site. Thank you for watching.